guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming, and what I have here is the new Padmate S66. Alright, over the ear wireless earbuds. Alright, so this is a really budget friendly, yet alright, it gives you the specification, right, of a high-end earbuds. I'm going to talk about why. Alright, but for now, alright, let me just go ahead and unbox and see what we get inside the box. Alright, so yeah, so let's see what are the accessories you'll be getting if you are getting this pair of earbuds. Okay, so let's just unbox this and see what is included in the box. So I think what I have here is a green version. I think they got another version as well of different color. I'm not so sure. You guys go ahead and check out the website. Alright, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below, so you guys can go ahead and see what are the other colors of options available, or just only in green. Alright, so okay, we do get the earbuds, the charging cable earbuds right over here. Just put this aside for now. See what other accessories that we will be getting. Alright, so there's a lot of foam inside here. Okay, we do get a quick start guide on how you guys can, connect to your phone and such. Alright, and see what's inside this little box right here. Okay, so we do get, come out. Okay, we do get quite a few things. Okay, I'm trying to get it out. Yep, we do have a few things that came out with it. Okay, let's just keep this review area neat and tidy. All right. Just put all this aside first. Okay, so these are the few items that you will be getting. All right, if you were to get this. So well, we do get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable to charge up your the case itself. We get a few ear tips, okay, for the one that fits your ear. And we do also get this. So what is this about? Or what is this? So this is, all right, this is a rubber thing. I'm joking, all right. This thing, all right, it is to prevent you from losing your earbuds, all right. I mean, most of the time, I think we are like going back into like the past. Alright, last time all your earbuds used to be wired, so we won't lose our earbuds. So now it's wireless, and there's people accidentally dropping it, losing it. So they come with this, so you can hook it around your ear and the earbuds, so your earbuds will never go missing. So we are just like going one way round, right? From wired to wireless, and now the wireless one even needs something like this to prevent yourself from losing. So it's really cool. But they included this as well. So yeah, I think this one is also quite universal. So there's two little holes over here. You guys can see. I don't know if my camera can even focus. Okay, but yeah, these two little holes here, you can even put your AirPods. If you are using other earbuds, you can also use it as well. So it's quite universal, really nice. They include this. Alright, okay, let's just put the rest of the thing aside for now. So these are all the accessories you will be getting, and now let's take a look at the main thing itself. So we do get a charging case. You guys can see, really nice, really slim as well. Alright, we do have a USB-C charging port at the back. Okay, yeah, overall it feels really nice, and it's not very bulky. It's just like a soap. If you have used it before, a bar soap or a hand soap, alright, this is pretty much like smaller than a bar soap. Okay, so yeah, you can see how big it is, how small it is. So this thing can fit in your jeans, your pocket, alright, or even women's, if you have a half-size pocket, this thing can fit in as well. Alright, it's very slim, so you won't feel like very bulky. Okay, and over here we do have the ear tip itself, and the ear tip is stuck on top. Why is the ear tips on top? Alright, I'm gonna figure it out. Alright, so okay, so that's why they included two there. Alright, and we have two on top here. Okay, and this one also comes with one of it. Does it come with one of it? Yeah, so you guys can choose like the certain type of like silicone ear tip size, so if you want to prevent like sound leakage. Okay, so overall, alright, this is how it looks like. It's really nice. Okay, you guys can see, right, the speakers over here, really nice. Alright, and then the reason why I love this kind of over the ear one, so it basically stays outside your ear. It doesn't go right inside your ear. It just stays comfortably right outside your ear canal. And why I love this kind of design specifically, alright, if you guys have used a lot of earbuds, I'm pretty sure all of you guys have. For me, if I use those in-ear one, my ear will start to hurt after an hour or two. So it's really uncomfortable, especially if I'm wearing this on like long plane rides, long flights, alright, or long car journey. Alright, those hurts after a while and I don't really like it. I love this one, so it stays outside my ear. It's comfortable, it doesn't hurt my ear at all. Alright, and this thing is extremely lightweight. Okay, so this thing, alright, the earbuds itself just only weighs 9 grams. Yes, you heard that right, it's just only 9 grams. So this thing is extremely lightweight that you won't feel anything at all when you wear it on. Okay, so let's talk about a few about this specification as well. So this earbuds is also IPX5 water resistant. So if you are using this in the rain, alright, or any splashes of water like sweat and shocks, alright, it will be fine. So you do not have to worry about it, you know, getting splashed by water, you know, especially in a heavy downpour, or you know, if you sweat a lot, you scared your sweats might, you know, damage it. Don't worry, because it's IPX5 water sealed. So it's really a plus point. And why I say this one is really unique and it offers features like those expensive earbuds, because this thing, alright, you guys can see the way that this earbuds is shaped. Alright, it's more like a oval shaped. Alright, so basically the drivers inside here, if you know, a traditional drivers in a earbuds is always round shape, but this one is a 12 by 17 millimeter shaped driver. So what are the benefits of like an oval shaped driver? Alright, the driver is the one that produces sounds, right? So if this is more of like an oval elongated shape like this, alright, it will give you a more immersive panoramic or 3D sound. So it's really good if you were to use this to play in games or even watch movie. It will give you this surround, a more immersive surround feel, alright, compared to a traditional cylinder, alright, circular kind of driver. So this is really amazing. Alright, and the charging time on this is really quick, and it's about 1.5 hours. You can get the case and the earbuds fully charged. Alright, and this thing can last up to 6 hours on a single playback, which is way more than enough. I think 6 hours is definitely way more than enough for me. For me, I've used probably like the longest I've used for earbuds probably like 4 or 5 hours. So this is really more than enough for me. Alright, and with the charging case, it can last up to 24 hours. So this one can handle 4 charge cycles. So it's really amazing. Alright, and right now I'm gonna just put this on, alright, and give you how I feel about it. So let me see how do I put this on. Okay, so this is the right side. Just need to hook it at the back of my ear. Okay, so this goes behind your ear. Okay, so this is how it looks like on my ear. Alright, really comfortable. I can't feel anything at all because it's so lightweight. Alright, and it stays in your ear really well. So no matter how hard I shake my head, alright, it will not fall out. Alright, so yeah, it looks really nice. Alright, you can use it for jogging, alright, or for daily listening. It's really comfortable. Alright, so right now I'm gonna just connect to my phone, play a few songs, alright, and give you my verdict on how this thing sounds. Alright, because every earbud I will definitely, I mean, if you're watching a earbud review video, you will, the most important thing is how it actually sounds, right? Because after talking about so many specifications, alright, it sounds good on paper, but does it actually sound good in real life? Well, I will see you guys in about 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll give you my final thoughts on how this thing actually sounds.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so yeah, I have listened to all kinds of music, pop, jazz, classicals, or all kinds of musics. I would say the bass on this is really amazing. Alright, if you guys love bass heavy kinds of music, alright, I think this thing suits it really well, because first of all, because the drivers is big, alright, it gives like a more bassy feel. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, if you guys love bass stuff, this one is really good. Alright, and for like classical music, all this, it sounds really clear, really nice. Alright, the sound staging is really good. So yeah, I wouldn't complain much about it. It's overall, if you want to use it to listen to music, I think this thing really sounds really well. I'm not kidding right here, okay? Yeah, I could place it in a range of like very close and comparable to a mid to high end range kind of sound. So it's really amazing for the price that it's offering. Alright, and this thing, I also forget to mention one thing, that this thing also have, you can see this shiny thing over here. Alright, it's also for touch control, so you guys can tap, triple tap, double tap, alright, for play next, play pause. Alright, so yeah, you also have this as well. And also this thing also have the latest Bluetooth 5.4, so you can ensure seamless connectivity with your phone. Alright, there won't be any latency, there won't be any dropouts. Alright, And also, this thing also have active noise cancelling, so it's really, really awesome. So if you want this to cancel out the background noise, you guys can definitely use this as well. Alright, so it's really, really amazing. There's come with like all this kind of really, really cool technology built into this. For the price they're offering, is really, really a steal. So if you guys are out there looking for a set of comfortable yet lightweight kind of earbuds, or I could call it the earphones, alright, you guys can check out this Padmate S66. I'll link them the first link in the video description down below, and I can guarantee you that you guys will not be regretting on this purchase. This thing sounds really nice, really lightweight, and yeah, with the oval shaped kind of drivers in it. Alright, this thing sounds really, really amazing, especially if you guys are using this, alright, to play games or even watch movies. This really can give you the surround sound feel to it. So once again, if you guys want to check out this Padmate S66, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to get this for yourself. So that's all for you guys. If you find today's video really interesting, and if you guys want more videos like this, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.